All right, let's follow some directions. So to make a s'more, what's step 1? Okay, we need to get a marshmallow on the stick. So we have our stick and our bag of marshmallows. Let's do step number 1. We'll get our marshmallow on there. We did it. Step number 1. What does step number 2 show us? That's right, we need to carefully roast our marshmallow over the fire until we see it turn golden brown. Let's try it. Here we go, learners. Step 2. Let's roast our marshmallow. Oh wow, look. We did it. Nice roasting. Oh, that looks perfect. Let's look at step 3. Okay, step 3, we need to take the marshmallow off the stick. What do we need? Oh, that's the good stuff. Chocolate and graham crackers. And what does the arrow show us? That's right, we need to put the chocolate onto the graham cracker. Let's do it. Okay, we have our graham crackers and our chocolate. Better get them out. They are holding that picture in your mind. What step 4 looked like? We have our chocolate. We need our graham cracker. It showed just one in step 4. Do you remember what we do with the chocolate? That's right, we put it on. Okay, step 4 is done. Let's look at step 5. Oh, now they want us to put our marshmallow, what does the arrow show? Onto the chocolate. Let's do it. Here we go. Step 5 completed. And now, what does it want us to do in step 6? Correct. Take a second graham cracker and put it onto the marshmallow. Let's do it. Here's our second graham cracker onto the marshmallow. Did we do it, learners? Do we make a s'more? That looks so good. Great job following directions. And look, the last step is for us to enjoy it. Yummy! Thanks for joining me, learners, and helping me learn how to follow directions. Great job today.